Today we got this cabinet hardware jig for how to install handles, and it's really easy to, to put it together. And it comes with the adjustable adjuster, so you can put them on the glide. So we're gonna put it together for you guys, show you how it's used, and it comes with a center puncher as well. That way you punch it in, and you can use it as well, so your drill bit doesn't bounce on you. So make sure you pull the screws all the way out, otherwise it's not gonna slide in. Just be careful that you don't lose them, because if you don't pull them all the way out, you won't be able to get them in. And so this is a ruler that it comes with. You need to put it on number 0 when you use it. That way you have your dimensions. It comes with dimensions as well. So this is your center. You could punch it in, hold it if you haven't painted the drawer fronts. And this ones, you just slide them in. It comes with the center mark. So wherever you get them, it gives you the inches. So you put them on, tie them up. The drill bit goes in there. This one slides in as well. Goes in like that. So all you need is tool for when you're doing the handles. This is a stopper that holds it together when you're putting it in. Make sure also to loosen the screws. And this will hold it also at the center with the dimension of your drill front. You tie it up. And it holds on, and it gives it the dimension. You mark it, center, and it holds on.
All right, so we have a handle kit here. You guys can see it. We're gonna actually...
When you put these pieces, make sure the hole is on the top. Otherwise, when you measure, it won't align with the dimension that you want. So make sure this goes on top, not at the bottom. So our handle's 5 inches, and this is 2.5 to the center. So we're putting it 2.5, 2.5. We're tying it up. And we'll center it right now. This is just to double check your handle. As you see, it's right there. We can hold it, but it's better to use a clamp all the time. And they give you a puncher. That way, right now, we already got the center. We're gonna punch it in. 1. It's already in there. All right, as you see, you got the holes there. Check, handle's right there, right where we want it. So the nice thing about this jig is that it comes with the bag, because as carpenters, we always lose stuff around, and it comes with a little bag with the zipper. That way you don't have to go spend money on an extra backpack.
All right, perfect measurements. Very simple. If you're gonna start installing cabinets or you need to center the actual handles, this is how you do it. They also give you the Allen wrenches and extra pieces in case you break them off, all right? So very simple, clever to put together. Very simple, easy. As long as you have some clamps or somebody holding it down or gravity holding it down. I hope you guys enjoy the video.